how to copy Instagram link. Firstly, I need to mention that there is two ways to copy your Instagram link. The first one is going to your profile section right here. Then you need to go on your right upper side on the three dots. Then you need to select the fourth selection, which is QR code. And from there, as you can see on your upper side, you have that sharing button. From there, you're going to select the side which is to copy the link. And also you have another side on which you can copy the Instagram link. For example, if you go on your browser, and from here, I will go right here, and on that side selection, if you go and type, for example, the site name on your username on Instagram, and from now, it will shows up that selection, which you're gonna simply, when you find out that site, you're gonna simply go on the three dots right here. You can check over the site, you can open it if you want, or simply if you go here and go for desktop site, and then if you get that simple site, and from here you're gonna go tap on that selection, and it will bring you right here on that site. From there, you're gonna simply go and copy the site from this link, and then it will be shows up on your site.